Here's a quick tutorial about Logger Pro. If you haven't done so already, by double-clicking on the top of the column, you can change the name and the short name of that. That will show up here as well as on your graph, so that's a good thing to do. Also, if your graph isn't really filling the whole screen, remember this auto scale button will make the data, it will scale it to fill the screen. The linear fit options, you actually select this option, curve fit, and you have all sorts of options. We could use cubics, quadratics. We're focused on finding a linear or a proportional relationship. So decide between those two based on your discussion with your group, and then you have to click try fit before you can click OK. That will put the line on your data. If you're no longer have the origin right here, you'll need to click on your graph options, go to axes options, and then say you want the bottom to go to 0, and for the x-axis you want the left to be at 0 as well, because we really want to be able to see all of the data points. Okay. In this box, it gives you the important information, and the RMSE value, that's important, the root mean square error. The lower that number is, the closer it is to being a linear fit. In order to graph another set of data, you would want to go to Data, New Calculated Column. If you select the calculated column, then you have the option, I'm going to choose terminal velocity squared. You have the option to use the data that's already in there, and the computer will do the math for you, which is nice. Or you can punch it all in your calculator if you prefer. So then the expression, you want to take the terminal velocity that you already have, so select that variable, and then you would square that and click Done. If you highlight that and go to Insert Graph, you can then insert a graph of that data as well. And then continuing with curve fit, as well as getting it so that you can see the entire graph.